What's going on, guys? It's Dave from Monetary Ocean, and it is middle of November when I'm filming this right now, which, if you guys don't know, it's about to be flip season. So Black Friday is rolling up here, which is prime opportunity to be buying stuff for cheap and selling it for a profit. So I do Amazon stuff. I also do eBay because what I can't sell on Amazon, I'm usually gated since I'm kind of a newer seller. I've only been doing it for about a year. So a lot of the bigger brands I'm still gated in. And also sometimes on Amazon, there's a thing called race to the bottom, where people are just trying to undercut everyone else just to get their item to sell. And so that really kills your profit margin. On eBay, it's a little bit different of a story. You can sell pretty much anything you want. I try to stick to more new stuff because that stuff sells for higher and it also will sell faster. So we have a couple products that I've already bought. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I know most people won't show you the stuff they're selling, but I really don't care. I just want to show you guys what I'm selling. Boom, so here we are. I got some AKG Y20Us. I got 3 of each of these colors, so 6 combined. I can't remember off the top of my head how much I paid for these, but there's a solid profit margin. Top left corner right now I'm going to put the price per unit, and then top right I'm going to put the profit margin. So as you guys can see, it's a solid margin for this pickup. This is just the first of many things I'm buying. This is currently November 15th, so Black Friday's coming up here next week. I'm shooting to spend a couple $100, depending on what I can find. I'm not just going out and trying to find everything I can just to buy it, but if I see something that's going to be a good sale, I'm going to definitely pick some stuff up. So as you guys can see, I only got 6 units. Some would wonder, well, if the profit margin is really good, why wouldn't you just buy a whole lot of them? Well, I like to go with the technique of wide, not deep. So basically what that means is I would rather get a couple of each different product and a lot of them than buying like 100 of these headphones, because you never know if for some reason someone undercuts your price super bad and it comes to the point where you're not even making a profit, and you have 100 units of these. You're not going to want to sell all of those for no profit or even negative profit if some fluke black swan were to happen. So I would rather, me personally, I would rather get smaller quantities and sell it quickly to make sure I get that profit than buying a whole bunch of stuff. I know for most people they do go with that, huge quantities, either like small profit margins, and that's where they make a lot of their money. That does work. I'm not saying that. I'm saying for more Black Friday stuff like that, where the prices may eventually, because there's going to be a lot of other people doing the flips too, those prices could come down a bit. So I'm trying to move my inventory fast. So that's why I do wide, not deep. Alright, so this is after Black Friday. I just picked up some new stuff. Got some good prices for all this stuff right here. So we'll start over here. Got this modem. Bought it for, what was it, 57 bucks, and it sells, the cheapest price on Amazon was 125, so I'm going to do 120. Get a quick sale on that. That is used, open box. New was like 200 bucks, but they had it used. It was on clearance at Target, so I went ahead and got it. So here's my second swoop of Black Friday. Got this one right here for $3. They were really stingy on their limit 1 policy. Went back through and tried to get another one, but they recognized me and they said I couldn't do it. So I had to settle for just one, unfortunately. But this was a solid flip. Like I said, $3, and it's selling for $20, or maybe, no, $29.99. So that's a good little margin on that. Next up here, I got this TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. This one right here was 13 bucks, selling for $19.99. Not the greatest margin, but I just figured might as well grab it just for a couple extra bucks. And then I got these two right here. These are different models. So we got the Talk 45 and the Talk 55. The Talk 45 ran me about $41. That's going to be about $79.99, I believe. The Talk 55 right here is $99.99, so that's a good little profit as well off that. Alright guys, so I have 2 items sold so far. It is the 27th, just one day after Cyber Monday, Tuesday. So basically I sold the light bulb, got about $3.50 profit off that after shipping and fees, and then one of those AKG blue headphones. So that was just a tiny bit under $10 as I was expecting. I forgot to turn off the offers for that. So I found that out the hard way. They tried to lowball me for like $11, and I kind of explained to them like, hey, I can't do that. I'm offering free shipping. The product was more expensive than that offer, so I was able to get them back up to my asking price. So that worked out pretty well. Just make sure if you're on eBay, go through all the options, and I usually am good about this. I guess it just slipped on this one product. Make sure you turn offers off, or you change the offers setting so that they can't lowball you and you still get a good profit off that item. So I'll keep you guys updated at the end of the year here, everything that I've sold, but in my eyes this has pretty much been a success. I have shipped in that modem, so I'm just waiting for that to go in. It's got a really low sales rank on Amazon, so that's going to be a really quick sale, and that's a good profit off that as well. So with that, that should cover all my expenses, and I've got a bunch more stuff that I've bought, so basically it's just more money for me. This is Dave from Monetary Ocean. Keep swimming out there.